Nature is incredible, unpredictable, and sometimes terrifying. Over the past decade, we've seen events that defy belief. Let's dive in. 2022, a meteor streaked across Idaho's skies, burning bright as it entered Earth's atmosphere. 2018, these houses in Montana got buried under some tumbleweeds. This is a challenge for cleaners. In June 2020, a massive landslide took place in Norway and went into the sea. All the homes were empty, so luckily nobody was hurt. This man was recording a video of the rain, but suddenly there was a lightning strike. A giant sinkhole swallowing the center of a soccer field in Illinois, leaving the community in shock. In 2016, a group of hikers in Argentina realized they were in a really bad situation. These people recorded their escape from a wildfire in California back in 2016. They are driving car through wildfire. This man was enjoying the rain and running in the rain when suddenly lightning struck. This reporter was reporting in France and got hit hard by the waves and got wet. A 6.7 magnitude earthquake disrupted this couple's wedding. Everyone was terrified. In 2018, a powerful tornado was recorded in Wyoming, leaving a trail of destruction and marking the first strong tornado in the state in decades. This house was destroyed by lava flows during the 2018 eruption of Kilauea volcano in Hawaii. In 2019, a portion of glacier in Iceland calved into the ocean, creating a large wave that surged towards the shore. In 2014, Mount Tavurvur in Papua New Guinea experienced a significant eruption. The powerful blast generated a massive shockwave. In 2021, a group of rock climbers in Japan were caught on camera experiencing a powerful earthquake while scaling a mountain. The footage captured the climbers' reactions as the ground shook violently. 2022 in Puerto Rico, leading to catastrophic flooding. The severe flooding overwhelmed infrastructure, including this bridge. A man was loading his car when he suddenly remembered that he had forgotten something. During the 2018 Alaska earthquake, a father heroically rescued his young daughter from their shaking home, capturing the world's attention with his selfless act. In 2023, China experienced a series of powerful windstorms, showing a man struggling to hold onto his umbrella. In 2023, a harrowing incident occurred in China when a driver was almost hit by these falling rocks. This year, Taiwan experienced a significant earthquake. One individual captured the terrifying experience on video while relaxing in a swimming pool. In 2019, a cruise ship near Norway faced turbulent seas, with passengers struggling to stay on their feet as the ship rocked violently.
Get that on video.
It's officially over.
In April 2022, a powerful tornado tore through the city of Andover, Kansas, causing significant damage. Tourists on a cruise ship might occasionally experience a sudden surge in static electricity due to atmospheric changes, a chilling warning sign that lightning could strike at any moment. During a glacier tour in Iceland, this man witnessed a massive chunk of ice breaking off and crashing into the water, creating a powerful wave that surged toward the shore. A recent volcanic eruption in Indonesia produced a mesmerizing display of volcanic lightning, creating a spectacle of nature's raw power. This man was recording a video when he suddenly captured a remarkable moment. In Pakistan in 2018, a group of people found themselves dangerously close to an avalanche. In 2018, during the Kilauea volcano eruption in Hawaii, a car parked in an unfortunate location was completely engulfed by lava. Snowboarder in Nevada unintentionally triggered a massive avalanche. In 2018, a rare and spectacular event occurred off the coast of Thailand. 4 waterspouts were observed forming simultaneously. An umpire heroically stepped in to rescue a Little League player who was caught in the swirling chaos of a dust devil. Wyoming experienced strong winds earlier this year, causing significant disruptions. In one instance, high winds impacted a truck, causing it to lose balance.